John Pizza.
Alright, what's up you bitches? We're fucked up. Okay? Just gonna go ahead and say it. So Noah and I were doing this body work, and already you know it was going fucked, right? So we got really self-conscious, and people were going off in the comments about how we should have done it, but it was too late. So we just finished the body work without filming it because it was such an operation, so fucked. Like Noah and I were decked head to toe in dust. On the fucking spoiler alone, we have like 11 different things. We got fiberglass, Bondo, tape, JB Weld, wood glue, that like liquid plaster stuff, all kinds of primer filler stuff. What else do we have? There's more stuff than that.
I don't know, it was fairly
But yeah,
fucked.
So that was just fucked, and we were like, oh, we can't film this because we're just gonna get destroyed in the comments. So yeah, we finished the body work, and then we're in a super big rush for the show. So we painted it up really quick, which also looked like shit, and we're also embarrassed about. And then
It's not the worst.
it's not terrible. And then I threw the tail light on like 10 minutes before the show, and also I sandblasted the muffler because it was like anodized blue before, which I wasn't having. So Ben San let me use the old sandblaster there. It actually, like, me and Noah were like, fuck, this looks like shit when we were doing it. We're like so embarrassed, but it turned out all right as long as you don't look too close at the bodywork. Honestly, kind of impressed with our skills.
It's not the worst, like Aska said, man, could be worse.
It could be worse. Also, we fixed the exhaust leak. We juiced on a bunch of high temp RTV. We're like, pfft, like I said we're gonna do, exactly like that. Pfft, Noah snapped the header bolt, 1 out of 2. 50%, that's a pass though, so we'll take it. Pfft, all the way around, and this thing chooched up to like 80, which was scary, 80 kilometers per hour. I was hanging off the back of it. The helmet was like coming off and like choking me. It was fucked. Yeah, check it out. Maybe insert a little edit.
Yeah, I was gonna put it at the start of the video, but
You already saw the little edit, so you know.
yeah, so we brought it to show and shine.
Yeah.
People were fairly fired. It was kind of sick to see like a couple people come up to us and know who we were and shit.
Yeah, shout out to Fanboys Drift.
Yeah, big time.
Sick.
So yeah, we'll probably have a video with them soon, a little ride along action.
Yeah,
That'd be
definitely.
cool. But I mean, if you were there, you know something was missing from the show, and I'll probably talk about that in the next video. But
RIP FC
yeah, dude,
2K19.
fucking sucks, man.
It's so depressing.
Yeah.
Fuck. Yeah, FC's done. Actually, it's not done at all. No, we'll talk about it in a video. We have a car lined up for me to purchase. It's gonna take all my savings and be a terrible idea. But yeah, so stay tuned for that.
So I guess this is more of just an update video, like what's gonna be happening in July, right?
Yeah, update of what's happening in July, and update of what happened to the scooter, because we kind of didn't film that very good because we were super
Kind of just gave
embarrassed.
up. I got really fucking mad.
Yeah, Noah's anger bubbled up. You know, we like to.
I was just too depressed to film anything.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, it kind of turned out all right, and I'm kind of happy with it. Obviously, when you look closely at the bodywork, it looks like absolute fuck. But maybe we'll fix it one day.
probably not, but alright.
Get Hosehead over here. Hosehead to lay down some Bondo.
Yeah. I think
Lane, if you're watching this, you owe some serious Bondo work
it's
here.
fixable, man.
I think so. I think Lane's got the ability. Probably not, though. Oh, also, this is like turning. Look at this little rainbow action down here.
Yeah, it's kind of sick, man.
It's kind of sick, man. Future things for the scooter. I do still really want to like figure out an under tray for it. I don't know if we're gonna be able to figure that out. Also, maybe one day repaint the whole thing and do like a livery. Still, maybe the seat cover too. Except it sits outside.
Yeah,
Imagine
so
how
I
moldy
guess
that would
yeah,
get.
it didn't get carpet and it didn't get a seat cover, but you can probably see why. Like it's fucking soaked right now, man.
Yeah, we also like had we had negative time. All the stickers and vinyls, or at least most of them, are gonna be restocked really soon.
A big sale.
Big sale might be coming soon. Maybe a little Canada Day, 4th of July sale.
If we get the vinyls back in stock by July 1st, there's going to be a fat sale on all of our shirts, all of our clothing, from July 1st to July 4th. Oh fuck, man.
Should we get some kinematics of this in the alley? Like, I want some photos to put it on Instagram.
Yeah, we can take some pictures.
So here we go. Really exciting.
Alright, mother bitches.
I feel like this video sucked, man.
This video sucks.
This video?
We're sorry. Great content coming soon.
This is just what's that shit? Foreshadowing, man.
Dude, this is just
foreshadowing the future.
leading them on a little.
Here's a
Teasing them.
little graph of what's gonna happen, okay? It's gonna be like FC video. So like shit's just gonna go like fucking like just wet shart all the way down to the floor.
Dust sound. I didn't like.
I know. And then it's like first like Japan video come up a little bit.
Whoa, someone going to Japan.
I don't know. It's CGI.
CGI, yeah.
Green screen.
Green screen ourselves into
Fake
Japan.
news. And maybe like people are gonna be like,
Fuck these guys.
fuck these guys, because that's already how it is.
Yeah.
Okay, and then it's gonna go like you come back, and then like buy this car, shoot up a little bit.
Adam buys dream car.
Yeah, and then hopefully a little
Spends
bit of,
all life savings.
yeah. So now we're back over here. Hopefully a little bit of a FC support. So then it keeps going like this.
Hmm.
And
Mods
then,
are
like,
lined up.
and then when you get small wheels, fucking like straight 90 degrees, like what happened to the RX-7.
Hell yeah.
12k views, man.
12k fucking views. And if it doesn't get 12k, writing off both cars, deleting the channel, throwing the scooter in the ocean. If you don't subscribe, the scooter's gonna go in the ocean and be like a natural. We could put it down and like stand it up so it'll be like a natural kind of reef thing. Or no, unnatural. Alright, so yeah, subscribe, comment, like. Yeah. Better subscribe or I'm gonna fucking kill you. Strap it in, man. Fucking strap it in.